Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your HP Envy 6078 printer on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser and you want to type into Google HP Envy 6078 drivers. One of the best results should be an HP support page that says HP DeskJet Plus Ink Advantage 6078 all-in-one printer. Open that up. And now on this page, you want to scroll down and you want to expand the item underneath installation software. And there should be an Easy Start Printer setup software in here. Select the download button for that. And then once it's downloaded to your computer, open up that file to begin extracting it. And if you receive a user account control prompt, should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then proceed with the remainder of this wizard here, just getting your printer configured to your device. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.